Hey, what's up guys, my name is Anand and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a new tool from Google that will allow you to really understand how the ads work, and it will also help you to, try understand like what type of ad targeting is possible and the different audience option. So I'm talking about Google Ads over here, but before we even jump into what type of audiences you can use for Google Ads, let's understand what this new tool is about and how you can learn about preferences, audience types, categories, topics, and brands, and how you can use that information when it comes to like creating new Google Ads. All right, so let's jump into the tool. The name of the tool is My Ad Center. So basically, it's the URL is myadcenter.google.com. But before I get into it, essentially what this tool does is it's going to give you more information about what Google thinks you like in terms of brands, topics, and really categories, and it's going to use that information to customize the ads that you see. So essentially what Google is telling is that ads about the things you care about. So really, this is a tool that will allow you to customize your preferences. Essentially that's pretty much it. So when you customize, hey, I really like brands that are focusing on nutritional supplements, for example. In that case, then what you can do is you can simply click on this plus, and next time when you go to YouTube, Google, or any of those platforms, you will get to see more ads just from those specific brands, or you will get to see more ads from those categories, right? So in this case, as you can see, there is an ad on YouTube and it's regarding athletic shoes. So you click on those three dots and then you hit plus. So that specific brand or category is now added to your personalization list. So next time when you go to YouTube or any other Google network, you will only get to see ads from those topics, right? So that's basically what this tool allows. Now it not only allows you to um, customize your preferences, but it will also tell you the what Google thinks about you, right? I mean, you must be searching a lot of websites, watching videos, and clicking on different ads, right? Google has already built a list of topics, brands that knows that you like, right? So Google has already done that. And when you go to, and I'm going to quickly show that, but basically when you go to My Ad Center, you will get to see that list, and then you just click plus or minus, right? So it's going to allow you to even remove certain preferences from what you are already what Google thinks that you would be interested in. So it's really good, and I think the reason I wanted to share this tool is we can learn a lot about the different categories that is available for you as a marketer, as a digital marketer, as a brand manager, as an entrepreneur, how you can use the categories and interest for your campaigns. So I'm gonna quickly share my ad center and what Google thinks about my topics. So look at this. Google thinks that, so it says add topics for you, right? And then based on your recent ad activity. Okay, so it thinks that I like business and productivity software. Okay, nothing crazy over here. Web design and development, business management software, web hosting, motor vehicle, investing, games. Okay, I think it's pretty broad, but still, as you can see, these are the topics that I'm interested, which sounds about right. Okay, and then if you see the brands that Google thinks I like is like SEMrush, of course, for digital marketing you need that. Microsoft Azure, uh, MIT, Amazon, Shopify, DoorDash. Okay, I order a lot of food from DoorDash. Okay, that sounds about right. Anyways, cool. So again, as you can see, my recent ads. Okay, so these are the ads that I have engaged with or I have clicked on. So pretty good, I would say. And basically what Google has done is it has created this massive list of things that I have engaged. Now, what you can then do is you can just hit plus or minus and see, look at this. It says see fewer or see more. So this is the tool, and I think it's pretty good. And then what you can do is you can also click on customize ads, and then you can start making changes. But what I really want you to understand is there is a lot of options that now you can use when it comes to setting up Google ads, whether it's search ads, display ads, YouTube ads, and use the audiences section to customize your ad targeting. And I will show you quickly how you can do that. When you are in your campaign, right, when you are in your Google Ads account, and let's say you pick any campaign, on the left hand side you will see an option called as audiences. You click on that, and then basically if you have been running some campaign, then you will get some metrics over here. And in order to change your audience segments, all you have to do is click on edit audience segments, choose the ad group, right? And this is where you can add a bunch of audience option. Now look at this. Google has already created a list of segments based on the ad account history, right? So business services, social media, business technology. So these are all the audiences that Google has already created. And it's going to give you, if you hover your mouse on any of them, it will show you like the estimated weekly impressions and categories and more details. But what you can do is you can even like click on browse, and you can click on other options. So you can target based on demographics. So these are all the options. You can target based on interest and habits. So again, this is exactly what I showed you in the My Ad Center. These are all the different interest categories that Google provides. And under each category, as you can see, there are more subcategories. So I would highly recommend exploring this. But before you get into Google Ads, as I said, make sure to take a look at myadcenter.google.com. I think you will learn a lot about how Google is trying to make sense of all this noise, the different ad categories, and how does that relate to you. When you understand the preferences, options, and different topics that you are interested about and what Google understands about you, you can then understand the mindset of your customers, which is a very powerful knowledge to have in order to tweak your Google Ads campaign. Now, if you don't know how to set up audiences, let me know in the comment section. I can create a separate video tutorial on how to use Google Ads audiences for your search, display, or YouTube campaign. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on my channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you.